Hello everyone, it's 17th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have Modi assured me won't buy Russian oil, claims Trump. MEA says not aware. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Russian oil and US trade talks. Latest Trump claims frames Delhi's challenge. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have green cracker trade opens amid patrolling across city. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have as AQI slips in capital, Noida sees sharper spike in the pollution at night. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Operation Sindoor, an example of self-reliance, says Rajnath. Again, very important for defense perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination. The first editorial says, strengthen your base. US, EU and China are rewriting trade rules. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have navigate with care. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have without truth, no peace. Very important again for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have empower ASI to do its job and heritage needs the PPP model. Again a very important editorial. Moving forward, we have why LG Electronics saw a bumper listing. Tata Capital had attended debut. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have RBI may retain current cap for deposit insurance premium. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have now ball is in their court. Sharif says Pak ready for talks with Afghanistan. Then we have bodies of two more hostages identified. Israel, Hamas trade blame for ceasefire violations. Then we have Trump speaks with Putin, says next meet in Budapest. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have engagement without recognition, India and new Afghanistan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Sahara Empire and its fall. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have decoding Supreme Court's order allowing green crackers in NCR, very important for polity and governance perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.